Hey, what's going on, guys? And today we have a box. Wow, look at this. Look at the packaging on this thing. Oh man, it already looks amazing. Oh, this is gonna be such a fun box. Oh wait. Oh. I think we should probably cut it open, but anyways. So, basically, this box, inside this box, if I can ever get it open, come on, open up, open sesame. You will not deny the knife of exact zero. Thank you. Get this paper out. There we go. Inside this box. So if you ordered the Tournament Temple City set before June 6th, you would get a whole bunch of free stuff. And so that's what I did. The actual full set is out there. However, yeah, I'll do a review on that once it's built. But these are the gift with purchase. This is the gift with purchase stuff you get from it. Not this. This was something with insider's points. I saw it a long time ago, but I didn't get it. So, yeah, I saw that. I was like, you know what? Let's get it. But anyways, I have this poly bag. I do already have this poly bag, so not sure what I'll do with that, but hey. And then this poly bag, I want like 10 of this. I'm gonna get like 10 of this thing just for this guy, because 5 is not enough of that guy. But yeah, so this is, yeah. And then of course you would get this water park. It has a slide piece. I've never had a slide piece before, so I'm excited for this. So let's start off with this. Let's start off with this. This you don't actually, you have to spend points on. Oh man, I probably should have just like cut that open. But hey, look at this. It's just a little pile of bricks. 16 pieces. Just a little pile of bricks. The eye brick, this, you don't really see much of it anymore. It used to be more common back in the day, but yeah. So, what's this? What's this? Is this like a little timeline? Oh, it is. So we have the duck, the wooden toy, then the first brick, new logo. Next brick, they added wheels. I do have some of these, actually. I'm not sure what that's about. But then we got Technic, minifigs. Whatever that thing is, that's some sort of a Technic robot. There's this. Oh, wait, so no. So here's the modern logo, Lego house, then this set. Okay, that's cool. I really like these wheels. They were nice wheels. But yeah, it's just build whatever. I like ducks. Let's build this duck. We're gonna build the things on there first. And then, yeah, so you know, you can build a duck. Duck is cute. I love duck. And then you could build something like, I don't know, say, let's see. Stick that there. Ooh, that's a nice piece. Stick that there. And then stick that there. You build whatever this is, some sort of bird. Like a toucan or something. You could build, let's see, I don't know, maybe like just a dog on it. You could build something like this. I'm not sure what that is either, but yeah, I'm really not sure what this is, but hey, it's an animal. Or you could build something like this. It's like a little giraffe, I think. I don't know, but it's kind of cute. And then you could build something more like, you know, let's say, to build like a little, I don't know, some sort of bird, like a flamingo, or, well, no, that doesn't make sense, it's yellow, but some sort of bird, something. That's cute. Or you could build like, let's see, I don't know, maybe like this. There's another little creature for you. It's pretty interesting. I don't know, I like it. It's just kind of a pile of bricks. I thought it was cute. So now that we're done with that, here it is. I'm doing these, you know, they'll get more exciting as we go. Okay, so, yeah. This, I'm not even going to open this. Let me just go get my already built one. So, here it is. Very nice. We got Kai. I'm going to turn his face around, actually. There we go. We got Kai. Rapton with a transparent orange katana. That's pretty cool. And then, just a nice little build here. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. Not much to say about that. Let's move on to this. Now this one, this I'm excited for. There we go. Let's dump this out. And then let's get building. So same face print? Yep, that's the same face print. Okay, the head is exactly the same, but then we have new pieces for the rest of this guy. Oh, come on, get in there. Well, I guess the claws aren't new, but you know, whatever. So, here he is. Looking very nice. Very nice. Got the purple and red color scheme now, which is very interesting. And now we have Tournament Cole, except this one doesn't have a shoulder pad. Well, let's see. Go. Very nice. These suits look absolutely epic. I really like these suits. It's got a C on the back for Cole. It's probably kind of hard to see on camera. Oh, there you can kind of see it. But yeah. Yeah, I really like these. And then, so, he's got a I've got a hammer. So if I can find the piece. There we go. And somewhere in here should be, wait, this is... Okay, yeah, no, that's it. So, yeah, he has this little hammer. This little hammer here. Very cool. Coal is cool. You can beat up this guy. Now, the actual build here. Let's see. Unfold these instructions somehow. Yep, okay. And let's build this little build here. So it has some sort of a mechanism in it, which is kind of interesting. So we've got that, and then it goes on this way. Okay. Come on, get in there. Get in there. And now, let's see, we got this. This. Couple of gold cones. If I can get it on there. And then, let's see. These. So it looks like, there's Tournament Temple City, and then also the Tournament Battle Arena, which we know can connect to Tournament Temple City. Looks like this also probably connects, and theoretically, if you got a whole bunch of these, you could stick it together. Stick them all together. Put them all in a line. So, that's cool. That's interesting. I'm gonna have quite the little tournament area eventually, because like I said, I'm gonna want to buy like 10 of these. Because, well, just simply so I can have more of this guy, because if you get every single set, including this poly bag, you'll have 5. And only 5. I'm like, 5 is not enough. 5 is nowhere near enough. Okay, it's an army of thousands. Okay, 5 is not enough. But, yeah. But anyways. So we're going to stick that there. Stick this on there. There we go. And then this is a new piece. It's like a katana, but it's really short. So that's very interesting. Very, very interesting. Wait a minute. I have a golden sai, so two minifigs, a good guy and a bad guy, in a poly bag with a build. Look at the tops, very similar. It's got the lanterns, and they battle for a small golden weapon in the center. You know what? That's interesting. It's interesting, especially since you get them both with the same set. So I wonder if you'll be able to stick this anywhere on the Tournament Temple City set. I wonder if you'll be able to stick this anywhere. Who knows? Anyways, so there's that. And so now, you can have them be battling, and then it just pops up, like the ground just pops up. So, that's interesting. Like, let's say if we stick these back on here, Cole is just chilling over here. This guy's running over at him, and pop! He's dead. That's cool. It's a neat little build. I like it. And like I said, I'm gonna get like 10 of these. So, there you go. Very cool. I really like this. It's a cheap way to get coal, too. So, now we have that. Let's move on to the big thing. The big, exciting thing. This is cool. I like this. It has a lot of interesting little stuffs in it. Like, oh my, a ramp piece. I've never had one of these before either. And a slide. Look at that. Yeah. I have my minifigs go on slides now. And of course, this big plate here. Let's open this up. Nice. Open that up. Nice. And then let's see. So we gotta build a dude. And oh dude, dual molded small legs. You know, I once got dual molded small legs, but it's just a stripe through the middle. But yeah, dual molded small legs. Oh, dude. That is incredibly useful. The classic face. It's got nice body printing, different colored arms. Every single piece on the body is a different color. And my dog is barking at something. I gotta go check that out. Well, that was completely pointless. Anyways, I'll give him some little flippers here. There we go. That's cute. I like this guy. Anyways. Wait a minute. Strange. Well, let's see. Get that. So, let's see, we got this. A couple of grills here. Nice big free gift with purchase set. Light blue crystal. That's pretty cool. There we go. Stick that on there. Okay, I kind of see where that's going. But there's a little slide. Put it on there. That's cool. Remember one time I went to I did a birthday party at Bricks and Minifigs, and we did this thing. We made this big, ginormous little. It was like a. Yeah, like this big thing. It was like a big slide. But yeah, but it had a yellow slide piece in it. But yeah, but we built it up, and we had, I don't know, it was more than just a slide. It did several things, and it was also extremely big. Because I think it was like multiple slide pieces, probably, but yeah, I don't know, I forget, but yeah, but it was pretty fun. We had to build some minifigs and keep the minifigs. And then we stuck the minifigs down the thing. But yeah. Anyways, there's that. Okay, so finally, an interesting part. An interesting part So, interesting stuff happened last week. So, I went on this trip. We left Thursday. Came back on Sunday. But, so one of the things I did was, well, so we went all the way over to Spokane, Washington. It was pretty fun. And so we did this thing. We went down to this one. It's kind of like Wahoo's, but like less stuff. And we've got mini golf, and then several of those little arcade machines. Personally, I like retro arcades better. I saw one while I was down there. I was gonna go in there. Dang it. Forgot about that. I like retro arcade stuff a bit better, because I like pinball machines. They're just fun. But, yeah, those kind of arcades, I'm there to win stuff. But, if it's like a retro arcade with like pinball machines and stuff, I'm not there to win stuff, I'm just there to have fun. And then I feel like, I actually get my money's worth. But anyways, we went down there. Wasn't a very eventful day on Thursday. But then Friday. Oh, there's a bug in here. Great. Friday we went down to this place. It's called Silverwood. It's a theme park. And oh boy, was that fun. That was incredibly fun. I loved it. They had a magic show down there. It was 3 o'clock and 5 o'clock. I managed to catch the 3 o'clock show. And it greatly exceeded my expectations. It was absolutely amazing. I loved it. Yo, look at that, like a little taco. That's cool. But yeah, it was so incredibly fun. Oh, this piece, this is an interesting piece. But yeah, there were roller coasters. So I've never been on a roller coaster. I had never been on a roller coaster before. That is important. Because we were traveling in groups of 4, and that place, one of its big things is roller coasters, right? Well, so I was pretty excited to go on one. And, so my group, we were going down, we were going to go to this one. It was closed. Now that I have been on a few roller coasters, and I kind of saw the layout of it, I'm glad I didn't go on that one. But, yeah. But anyways, that's a nice little face. That's an interesting little face. But yeah, I am glad I didn't go on it. Oh, that's an interesting hairpiece too. What is that? From like Lord of the Rings, I think. But, anyways. So we went on this one. It was called Timber Terror. It was a wooden roller coaster. It was made of wood. And, the others were complaining, oh man, yeah, that was so bumpy, because, it's made of wood and stuff. I'm like, you know what, I didn't even notice that was bumpy, because I was too busy holding on for my life, hoping that I didn't die. Is that like sunscreen? That's nice. But yeah, because I was like, oh, let's go, we're finally I'm gonna get to go on a roller coaster, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, here we go. Whoa, we're speeding up pretty fast. And, oh my. There's a drop there. And we dropped. It wasn't a very steep drop. It was like this. But it was incredibly fast. I didn't scream at all. I did not scream. I felt like screaming, but I also couldn't. Like, I literally couldn't. It was just... I held on to the grab bars, and I just shut my mouth very, very tight. And yeah, I was too busy focusing on, this is totally safe, you are not gonna die. You're not gonna die. You're not gonna die. You're not gonna die. You're not gonna die. It's perfectly fine. You know, yeah, the guy next to me, he was there yelling, flung his arms up in the air, and I'm there just completely silent and just pure, utter shock. Holding on to the little grab bar in the front of the car as tightly as humanly possible. But yeah, it was fun though. I got off, I was like, oh, okay, it's over. Okay, yeah, that was fun. But yeah, it was fun. I would go on it again. But, yeah. Then we went on another one. This one I will never go on ever again in my entire life. Did I, use the... Oh, wait, no, it says 4. So, this one was called Stunt Pilot, and if you've ever been to the theme park, then you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, which you probably haven't, let me just tell you. So it starts off, you go up, going fairly slow, you go up, go around a corner, and you're going fairly slow, and then it's a drop, and it's literally like this. Like, it feels like a 90-degree drop. It's not quite a 90-degree drop, but it feels like it. Okay, it's like this. But, yeah. And so, yeah, I saw that, and I was like, oh no. Oh no. That one, yeah. I was absolutely, positively terrified. I couldn't move. Okay, I was holding on. That thing, it didn't really have grab bars. It just had a really big harness. You know, it was a very bulky harness, so you could kind of grab onto the harness. Yeah, I am not... yeah. The heck? What is wrong with my light? Ugh. Anyways, that was strange. But yeah, got this cool ramp piece here. But yeah, so that was absolutely crazy. Oh man. Yeah. Anyways, I just... yeah. You know, so not... okay, so... I have to actually finish describing the thing. So, not only does it have a really steep drop like that, it goes around and then it throws you into a loop. So, there were no loops on the other one. It never turned you, other directions. Okay. you stayed upright. This one, it had a loop. But not only did it have a loop, it also flung you upside down again. Like, right after that. Okay. And then it turned you completely sideways. And then finally, it went super fast. Twist, turns, upside down again, sideways. It was crazy. Finally, went around, slowed down, and I was just... still holding on to the grab bar. Or the harness. But, there wasn't really a grab bar, but just still holding on. So tight. Going around the corner, a little speaker there. Great flying pilots. Blah, 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 blah. I was like, thanks, buddy. Yeah. And finally we pulled into the thing. It just slowly moves through the thing, unlike the others that actually stop. So I got out. I was like, yeah, no. I'm never, ever going on that thing, ever again. Okay, it's got the adrenaline pumping, just thinking about it. Oh, man. Yeah. Literally, before I even got on the thing, while I was still in line, I saw how that thing was going, because you walk underneath it to get to the thing. I was like, oh my, I'm already regretting this, and I probably don't want to go on this. But here I am. So yeah, it was crazy. But I got through it, and then I did end up going on a third roller coaster. That one was one of the wooden ones, though. It had an actual grab bar. And it wasn't as crazy. Some of the turns did turn you kind of like sideways, but you never like went upside down in it. It was pretty crazy. But yeah, I would show you a photo, but that would be a face reveal, and I'm not ever gonna do that. Unless, you never know, I might. But, I probably will at some point. But not yet. But also I look like an old man in it. So, yeah, it's pretty crazy. But anyways, yeah, it's just, yeah, so I did get a photo from it, which was cool, but, yeah, that one I was kind of a little bit calm on. I still grabbed on, I was still holding the grab bar, but, I wasn't so scared that I could, actually say something. I could actually say something, but just barely. But yeah, it was pretty crazy. It was called Tremors, and that one I could do again. That one I would do again. That one I would absolutely do again. Chamber Terror I would probably do again, but Tremors I would definitely do that one again. Unlike Stunt Pilot, see now, one of the other people that was there, they wanted to do it like 1,000 more times. I was like, yeah, no, I'm never gonna do Stunt Pilot again ever in my life. Literally, oh look, it's Lloyd's soda can from the Lego Ninjago movie from that one set. Dude, I have that set. Anyways, if you know, you know. But anyways, literally, I got off of Stunt Pilot, my chest hurt, my fingers hurt. Like, it hurt to move my fingers. It was just, oh yeah. But, you know, after that I did some stuff, you know, like bumper cars. I did the Roaring Creek Log Flume, it was called. That one was fun. I was told I wasn't going to get that wet. I was told there wasn't a drop. There was indeed a drop. And I did indeed get wet. Now, partially I got wet because of the drop, but then partially it was because after the drop, there was this sprinkler that came on and just blasted us all from the side with a bunch of water. I was like, dude, what the heck? We later learned that it was because somebody actually paid extra money. Okay, they paid extra money to get us wet. Okay, they paid extra money to get us wet like that. I was like, dude, are you serious? Man, that's crazy. Yeah, I dried off eventually, but that one was fun. That was fun. I liked that. You know, I did some stuff like bumper cars, some bumper boats. But, yeah. I liked it. It was cool. It was fun. But, yeah. Of course, there was also a train ride. I think I might upload because I have a video of the train ride. It's not just a train ride. There were, like, bandits and stuff. It was really cool. I might put a video of that on the channel. But yeah, it was pretty fun. But anyways, yeah, so we did that, and then we went down to a lake, Coeur d'Alene, actually. And that was kind of fun. And then after that, we went to, oh, by the way, the set is done. This is it. But, we went to the, little diving board there. Went to the lake, and then we went to, yeah, there's a little shower here. We went to, doggone it, what did we do? We went to, soda, popsicles. We went to this, doggone it! What did we do Saturday night? Dude. The heck? Oh, right, we went to a baseball game. We went to Spokane Indians baseball game. They hit a grand slam, which was pretty crazy. Yeah, it was pretty boring, but then the home team got 0 points for the first 7 innings, and then they finally got a point, and then they hit a grand slam, which was amazing. Yeah, and then they got another point. Still didn't win because the other team got a couple points after that. In the 10th inning, went overtime, but yeah, food was good. It was pretty fun overall, but yeah. So that was a fun trip I went on. Anyways, this is the set. It's got this little thing. It's got a little thing. Got a slide so you can climb up. Slide down the slide. I've showed that off a few times. It's got a shower in there. Saw that when we were building. Diving board. Would have been cool if it had some sort of mechanism where I could kind of bounce, but yeah, we got a taco. Is that sunscreen? That's got to be sunscreen. If that's some sort of a drink, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, but I'll slide down that. Sit in the thing. If I rip her legs off. Well, that won't work, but you know what, it's fine. But yeah, have to sit in this thing. But yeah, and then this little thing you put down, spill some water. Oh my! Drip some on my pants. Man, let me. Oh man, got a little bit of Lego water on my pants. Well, it's fine. It's not that much. It'll dry off. It's just water. Anyways, yeah, so I had a pretty fun trip. It was cool. Did a lot of new things. My favorite part was probably that magic show. That was absolutely amazing. Baseball game was cool too because they did fireworks afterwards. But yeah, it was pretty cool. But anyways, yep. So there we go. There we have it. That's it. We got that. We got pile of bricks. We got, dang it, I bumped the camera. We got this, and then of course this. Some pretty cool stuff overall, and I will be doing a review on the actual Tournament Temple City set once I have it built. Well, that's all for today. Really hope you guys enjoy it. If so, feel free to like, subscribe, and probably be nice if you could watch these two things that should pop up right about now. This one will probably be Tournament Temple City when it comes out, and then this one should be, I don't know, it'll probably be some sort of playlist or something, I don't know. But yeah, like, subscribe, and of course, most importantly, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!